Hello children, today we are going to read an essay about cats. Cats are fascinating creatures, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot about them today, so let's start. 1. The cat is a pet animal. 2. It is a small animal. 3. It has 4 legs. 4. It has 2 eyes. 5. It drinks milk. 6. Cats look like a tiger's cub. 7. It is scared of dogs. 8. Cats are usually brown, white and black in color. 9. It is very active and smart. 10. It can climb trees. 11. It plays with toys. 12. Cat's claws and teeth are very sharp. 13. It can see in the dark. 14. People keep a cat as pet. 15. I love cats.